Here we have a 2011 Nissan Quest. We're going to inspect the brakes. Do an overall inspection, see how it goes. We're going to use 17 to take the caliper off. Now everything looks super clean on this one. We're just going to re-grease it up. "21. Everything looks fine. So I'm kind of disappointed. I didn't find anything wrong. Everything's perfect. Brakes are good. Probably just need a little tiny bit of grease, but everything looks good. It's driving good. I just want to make sure that everything's kosher with the brakes. So that's one thing that I couldn't do here because I don't really have a lift or anything like that to go underneath the car as much as I would like to. But simple. I recommend doing it every once in a while just to check. Take out the tires, take out the first caliper, take out the brake pads, see how the rotors are doing. But in this car, not bad.